I have seen many useless videos on YouTube, and surprisingly, they all receive millions of views. Meanwhile, I put a lot of effort into creating genuinely valuable and interesting videos, but I only receive 5 views, 10 views, or maybe a maximum of 100 or 200 views. I don't understand why YouTube is behaving like this. Why am I not getting views?
If you are facing the same issue, this video is for you. After watching this entire video, we can decipher the YouTube algorithm and make YouTube appreciate our content. It will distribute our content extensively. Before starting the actual video, I kindly request that you show your support by smashing that like button below. It only takes a second, but it means the world to me and helps our community grow. Alright, let me ask you one question. What do we do after uploading our content on YouTube? Maybe we will ask our friends and family to watch the video, right? But they might not do so. In the end, there are no views and no income, and that's when people lose hope, isn't it? However, that's the biggest mistake we're making. Never ask anyone to watch your video, let YouTube recommend it. If it starts recommending your video within a few days, boom! You will get millions of views. But how can we achieve this? Did you know every single day thousands of people are uploading lakhs of video? With such a large number of videos, how can we capture YouTube's attention and promote our own? But gaining YouTube's attention is crucial to our success. However, there's no need to worry. We will decode the YouTube algorithm and attract attention to our videos. Here are some important parameters that are believed to influence YouTube recommendations. Those are relevance, engagement, watch time, user history, similarity, freshness. I will quickly explain what are those terms and how to influence these parameters to control YouTube algorithm. Relevance. YouTube considers the relevance of a video to a user's interests based on factors such as title, description, tags, and viewer engagement metrics. The algorithm attempts to understand the content of the video and match it to the user's preferences. So now I will give you an example to influence relevance. Let's say we are creating a video on the top 10 Android apps. If we search for the same topic on YouTube, we will find a list of ranked videos that meet this criteria. Now, we need to filter the list based on view count and select the top 3 videos. We can then copy the titles, descriptions, and tags from those videos. By creating a title based on these references, we can easily influence relevance. In a similar way, we have to do the same for video descriptions and video tags. If we follow the same strategy and create our video titles, descriptions, and tags, we will get our video recommended next to these top videos. By producing similar content and using similar titles, descriptions, and tags, we increase the likelihood of our video being recommended alongside them. Engagement. YouTube looks at user engagement signals like views, likes, dislikes, comments, and shares to assess the popularity and engagement level of a video. Higher engagement often leads to increased visibility and recommendations. Now, to control engagement, we need to ask simple and interesting questions related to our video topic in our video, or show something interesting images to grab the viewer's attention and encourage them to interact by doing like, comment, or share. Let me show you some real example how creators are creating engaged.
Now, just before we get into this video, if you want to get my YouTube course absolutely for free, all you need to do is go down the bottom and comment which one of these points you found to be the best and how you'll be using ChatGPT.
If you look at this video after some introduction, see how he is doing to create engagement. In a similar way, if we ask questions or show some interesting images to grab the viewer's attention, for sure we can influence engagement signals. Watch time. The total amount of time users spend watching a video and the overall watch time on a channel play a crucial role in recommendations. YouTube aims to suggest videos that keep users engaged for longer periods. So, to control watch time, keep in mind that you should always make sure your content is engaging, informative, and straightforward. Additionally, utilize captivating video graphics to engage users for more time. User history. YouTube takes into account a user's viewing history and considers previously watched videos, liked videos, and subscriptions to understand their preferences and recommend relevant content. User history is something we can't directly control. The only thing we can do is create topics that are trending so that the chances of reaching a large number of audiences increase. By doing this, we may align well with the audience's interests based on their history. Similarity. YouTube may recommend videos that are similar to the ones users have watched or enjoyed in the past. This can include videos from the same channel or videos with similar themes, genres, or topics. Again, similarity is something we can't directly control. The only thing we can do is create topics that are trending, so that the chances of reaching a large number of audiences increase. By doing this, we may align well with the audience's interests based on their history. Keep in mind before creating the content, analyze existing content's pros and cons, read the comments, and try to create better content by avoiding the mistakes made by other creators. Freshness. Newer videos that have gained early traction or popularity may receive a boost in recommendations. YouTube aims to promote recently uploaded content to keep users updated with the latest trends and topics. So to influence freshness, we have to upload content on regular intervals. If we follow above steps and create our content, 100% YouTube will start recommending our content, and within few days, we will get millions of views and subscribers. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks to grow your YouTube presence. Until next time, take care and happy earning!